Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry all of the Streamlight TLR rail-mounted lights and lasers, and this happens to be a new one with the green laser, which is part number 69443. This includes the long gun kit, the key kit, so you can choose the key that's going to work with your firearm. Comes with the Allen wrench. This is going to adjust your windage and elevation. It comes with E-clips to secure the light onto your firearm, and it includes an install and remove tool for that. And we're going to get rid of the packaging. And now we have the actual light and laser, and it comes with a CR123 battery. And before I continue, make sure to subscribe right now so you're alerted of new videos, discount codes, specials, and new product releases. To install the battery, you're going to simply unscrew the LED. And we're going to take the CR123 lithium battery, and we're going to put this positive side down. And we're going to reinstall the LED. Here's where it gets a little tricky. No one wants to over tighten anything, so when you feel something getting firm, you like to stop. This is not designed like that. You want to keep going, and you're going to feel a series of clicks. One of them is a safe mode. And once you get to the point where it just does not want to turn anymore, the battery is now installed. To operate the light and the laser, you're going to simply press the button here, the rear end. If I hold, it's going to be momentary on. So I'm still holding, and as you can see, that's 500 lumens, and maybe in the middle of the light, you're going to see that green laser. It's a little bit hard in close quarters, but we have a 500 lumen light and a green laser, and all I have to do is now release my thumb, and it turns off. So that's for momentary on. If I want this permanently on, I'm going to press the button faster and release. And now, as you can see, my thumb is off that button, and the light and the laser are on permanently until I hit that button again. And you're going to hear that and feel a click. And now the light and the laser are off. To cycle through the different settings, we're going to move the switch from light and laser to the light only. And again, the same functions work. So if I just want this, momentary, I'm going to hold my thumb down or finger down and release, and it turns off. Or I'm going to press real quick, and now it's permanently on. And then I'm going to move that switch down one more time, and now we get the laser. And again, the same functions work for this as well. To turn on the strobe setting, we need to program the light first. So we're going to go back to that button, and we're going to press this button 10 times quickly. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to hold on the 10th. You see the strobe come on, and then it turns off. So now it's programmed. So just like the other functions before, if I press quickly, it turns on permanently. If I press and hold, it's momentary. So right now, if I hit this once, you're going to see that light and laser come back on. But if I hit it twice and take my thumb off, it's permanently on. Click, it turns off. And now if I click twice, but I hold on the second one, it's momentary. So my thumb is still on the button. Once I release, it turns off. And then once it's programmed, you can then go back to just the light, and then you can go to the laser, which obviously doesn't matter because there's no light, so the strobe won't be on. And then you can go back to factory settings, which is the light and the green laser. Now, if I want to go back to the factory settings without the strobe, so as you can see, the strobe is still on. We're going to click that 10 times again, hold on the 10th time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hold. and you see the light come on solid, turns off, now it's programmed. So if I hit that twice, there is no strobe and it's back to factory settings at this point. These normally cost $282, but if you use code YT10 at checkout, it's only going to cost you $253.80, and that includes free shipping. The same deal applies for all the other TLR models that we carry as well. The YT10 code will take 10% off. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up right now, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.